All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, at you up for them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for pounds. Fuck all that talking, they laying you down.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off.
All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, at you up for them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for pounds.
Yeah, we going in again, this is that intrusion. Spending like we got them ends, this is that conclusion. You should bring your friend again, I find that shit amusing. Take a shot, you see it, now you don't, that's the illusion. Yeah, I'm packing clubs, best believe I'm on my caddy flow. I guess that is apparent, even your mom and your daddy know that I put on that dope show. Show them just what man's about, and they rooting for the kid, that's because I'm branching out. Gotta keep it moving, sorry baby, I don't like to wait. I'm hungry and I'm driven, can you please get me your license plate? Girl be feeling it, they killing it, I see them dead chicks. Got that money, they stick to you, yeah, I guess that bread sticks. Nigga got a vision, I don't think you see it well. Over when the fat lady sings, do you see it well? I am young and I am reckless, but some hung just like a necklace. Go against me and you screw, so Texas. Shows the only gigs you got is on your iPod. You are off the mad and you talking about your swag. Only label that's behind you is a motherfucking tag. And I've been grinding steady, so when the timing is ready, don't bring them funny verses, I ain't talking about Mazzetti. I'm reaching for the throne, cause I know that you can't stand me. And a nigga never idle, and you looking like Randy. Plan B, nah, this my chance to be in the record books. They say what comes around goes around, tell me how this record looks. Cause once it gets 180, that's the day they gonna pay me. Cause I've been paying these dues and it's been driving me crazy. So let's just make a toast and let's just get a buzz, saying hi to what will be, saying bye to what we was. And if I'm gonna make it, we'll see. But I can guarantee that you should focus on me. I'm a new soul.
No stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star.